How to convert Word to Excel. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to convert the Word to Excel, simply launch the Chrome browser on your device over here. As you do that, simply tap on the search bar and search for Word to Excel converter. And as you do that, you'll be able to see different options over here. So here you can see there are different options available. So I'm going to select on a particular one. You can select whichever you want. And what you need to simply do is you just need to tap on the option of over here to get your Word file. So I'm going to go back and select another one. And as you do that, here you just need to tap on choose files, give that access, and then tap on the media picker option. Now select on the documents over here. I'm going to select on one of this document and tap on convert. So as you tap on convert, it will start converting. Now the file is been converting over here, so you just have to wait for a while the file is being converted. And here it goes. The file has been converted from Word to Excel. So you just need to tap on download, and that's how you can convert a Word to Excel file. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.